This is what we're working on today. That was tight. No, that wasn't necessarily that. Hot, 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 hot. Good gracious. Alright. What we're dealing with here. And that one right there don't look very good. That one looks pretty good. Got a little bit of corrosion there. What this truck is doing, sorry about the wind, but it probably won't do it. It'll probably start. Well, I don't know if you can hear it ticking or not, clicking. But doesn't want to start, and you gotta play with it. You gotta hit it. I don't know, 20-30 times, and it'll finally start. Dad seems to think that solenoid there is a problem, because one of the terminals rotted off of it when we was chopping silage one year, and the truck died. And I'm pretty sure that was a Kenworth only one. I'm gonna put my money on it's probably this one right here. Oh, it's all corroded. What does that say? Warning, do not jump start here. Ha 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 ha. So, I bet that's the issue. It don't look pretty. That wire there. It's like it's starting to break off. Steady. I'd say that's the problem. Though I'll probably go to take it apart and clean it up, it'll probably break off. I'm gonna put you on, probably speed up the video while I work on it. I'll be back. Alright. So, I was right. It's definitely this one. I tried to take that nut off, and the whole thing turns. So, yay. Probably a Kenworth only solenoid would be my bet. So, I'm definitely going to take a picture of that. No numbers on it. I ain't too excited about it. I can't see anything underneath. But at least it starts now. Let that run for a moment. Get out of the sun. Combine is out. John Deere still hasn't came yet. Greenhead's out too. But let me get this side opened up. You can tell it's got a little bit of a leak. The best that I can tell is it's coming from, get my arm up in there, right here where the stack pump bolts on. Freaking spiders. Get out of here, spiders. They're coming to work on that. It's leaked ever since we've had it, but it's definitely gotten worse. And it makes one heck of a mess when we start running. I could probably fix that. That's definitely needing adjusted. And then the cab, the corner post monitor, we've had trouble with. I was running last year, running beans, and all of a sudden bells and whistles went off, and I said low oil pressure, low RPM, and it actually wasn't low. Got a hold of the mechanic. He said that if that corner post circuit board or whatever, computer or whatever's in it, gets a little bit of moisture, they'll start doing that. So he said take it out, take it back to the shop, put it underneath a heat lamp, but not a heat lamp, bulb, and try it in the morning. And I did that, and it worked fine. And every once in a while I'd mess up, and I ain't going through that again. So we're going to put a new one of those in. What else? That hydraulic oil leak, the moisture sensor in the bins been off, and sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't. This gearbox leaks, but I don't know if we'll get it fixed this year because it is a bear, and I mean a bear, to take apart. Did one a long time ago on 9500. Sucks. This oil leak is coming from here, and I want to figure out which one of these valves is leaking. I've already replaced this one. I'm thinking it's this one, but that is expensive. Them things are, I want to say this one's like $180, and then I bought the tool to get them out. It's like $50 or something. But yeah, and I think there's one other thing, but that corner post computer, circuit board, or whatever, that's the big one, and it is getting to be crunch time. Friday, September 21st. Hopefully I'll get this uploaded tonight. But if it doesn't rain, which no, now it probably won't, we will be cutting some beans next week. I don't think a lot, but I was looking at a couple of jobs that we do customized, and his beans are getting ready. Mine are still a ways off. Well, besides servicing this, we're going to put a new auger in the green bin. Everything else is good, I think. I'm just going to have him double check some things, but the green head is pretty much ready to go. I'm going to put some tires on our header cart, because these are original tires and they got some major cracks in them and old. And I don't want to blow a tire, but I'll put all new knife sections in. I think that's it. Oh, and for some reason I broke this last year and we welded it. Probably put a new one of those on. Skid plate. Because that's where the HydroFlex part is. There's a cylinder back there. I don't know if it's pressure or what, but new one of these. I got new spare pieces of plastic. Actually, that one's broke too. Okay, couple pieces. And it looks like that piece out on the end needs new plastic. Just a little bit of work on it. So. And research, trying to find that solenoid. We're not going through Kenworth. I really don't want to have to deal with them guys. They're calling for rain Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday next week. Rain tonight. Actually, we got rain last night and yesterday morning, day before yesterday morning, when it wasn't supposed to rain. So they're calling for rain. It probably won't rain. I will catch you all